Morning guys. Today I've come out to Rye. It's been on my list for ages to get out and shoot, and you'll see why in this video because it's beautiful. So I'm just going to walk around. Guys, dark under here. Got a few hours to kill. See what we can get. I'm looking forward to it, to be fair. Can I just grab a sausage roll to take out? Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. Cool, thank you, have a good day. Okay, let's have a sausage roll and then get the day side. Good. It's pretty busy today, so I think there's going to be a lot of hanging around waiting for the right shot. Also going to try and play around with the shadows, I think. There's a lot of nice shadows down these tiny little lanes. See what we can get. Trying to get a quick shot of the cannon through the gap. There are a couple of people the other side taking photos though, so I was waiting a little while. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying to find Watchbell Street, which should be up here on the left. One thing you really do notice shooting in smaller places like this is that everyone notices you more when you're walking around with the camera. I'm so used to shooting in big towns. I'm just like another person in a crowd, making me more nervous. That would be perfect with someone walking through the frame. It's really hot, and I don't feel like popping a squat there for too long before I melt into a pool. Lining up a shot with this guy in the back of his car. Beautiful. I'm just trying to find some new frames today, and I think using those two cars like back there to frame the guy in the back of his car works pretty well. I want to try and shoot some stuff like through shop windows as well, but I'd probably want to have like my CPL filter with me, and well, I don't, so nice. There's a nice little frame between like these trees and these garages or buildings. I really want to get something coming through there. Car, person, anything. This is going to really start to test the shoulder strength. Okay, not bad, not bad. That was a long wait. Ooh. Feels like it's cooling down a little bit, which I bloody need. might have to stop for a beer in a minute. It's too bloody hot. Ooh. Can really feel it being back in this heat. And like a 30-minute stop with that pint, and the shade was much appreciated. No worries. Man, I love that last shot. Just, I was waiting for some people to come across, as you probably saw in the footage. Like, I took a couple of like tester shots and pretended to look the other way to try and encourage people to come across, and everyone was just like taking a different route. And then right at the end, that couple went across, and the guy was just like, "Oh wow, look at the railway line," and just stopped and pointed at it for me, and I was like, "That is, wow, perfect." Okay, I'm heading back to the car now. And by heading back to the car, I mean she's like there. I think that might be it. I wanted to potentially pop to Battle on my way home, but it's 3 o'clock and it's an hour and a half drive home, and I have to be home. Probably need to get on the other side. I need to be home by 5, so I don't think I'm going to have time to stop in. Another time, I guess. Today's video is a bit unplanned. Normally I like have the video lined up for a while before I go, but I just ended up having a free day today, so I thought, you know what, make the most of it. It's a lovely day, let's get out, let's walk around, let's just take some photos. My car currently says it's 29 degrees. Does explain why I'm really bloody sweaty, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I want to get some more like POV street photography videos in where I can, because I end up going out to shoot a lot and it's just a new camera or a new location, and I forget to just kind of go out, shoot and enjoy it, and just wear the camera here all day and get what I can get. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.